Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joboy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. Now I've been using the Redmi Earbuds 2C for nearly 2 months now, and to be very honest, I'm quite satisfied with them, as I was only using these when I was traveling, and yeah, these cost 1200, but the sound quality and the call quality were not up to the mark. So a friend of mine suggested me the Petron Bass Buds, and I purchased them because there are a lot of positive reviews about these earbuds out there. So in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing and the review of the Petron Bass Buds, and at the same time, I'll be doing a quick comparison between the two as well. And also, if you've not watched my review of the Redmi Earbuds 2C, then click the I button on the top here. So these are the Petron Bass Buds, and by the name, I guess they should provide better bass in comparison to other earbuds. Behind the box, there are a ton of features mentioned like 10mm drivers, 10-meter range, 6 hours music playback, high bass, A2DP technology, and so on. Here it says 2499, but you can get this for 1099 Indian rupees. And yes, the one I purchased is black in color. So first thing, inside the box you get the instruction manual, then the charging case, below that the earbuds that have this blue ring like design around them. Below all of this you get a packet that contains a micro USB cable and some ear tips. So when it comes to the build quality, I like this all matte finish on the charging case of the Redmi 2C, whereas the Petron Bass Buds has this plasticky glossy finish on the top, which is prone to scratches in the future. In terms of the magnetic controls on the Redmi 2C, it's not that powerful. The lid could easily open. Even the buds are not firm in their slots. In fact, I faced this major issue where the buds would automatically connect even when they were in the charging case. But you won't face any such issue with the Petron Bass Buds. The lid is not magnetic, but it closes well. Even the buds fit firmly in their slots, and you even get this button inside to completely power off the buds and the charging case. The buds of the Petron are slightly on the larger side as compared to the Redmi 2C, but for me I found the fitting of the Redmi 2C slightly better than the Bass Buds, but that depends from person to person. The Petron buds were not firm in my ears, and I found myself adjusting them from time to time. The Redmi 2C comes with an IPX4 splash proof rating, whereas the Petron Bass Buds does not come with an IP rating, but they've mentioned that it is sweat proof. Now I've been using the Redmi 2C for nearly 2 months, and the sound quality never bothered me to that extent just because of the price point. But the sound quality of the Petron Bass Buds are slightly better. You actually get good bass on this. Highs are also decent, or else you can trigger that in the equalizer of your smartphone. Even the overall volume is louder on the Petron Bass Buds than that of the Redmi 2C. Both come with Bluetooth 5.0 for better connectivity, which is very important in budget earbuds. Now in terms of microphone quality, both of them do a fairly decent job. On the box of the Redmi 2C, it says that it has environmental noise cancellation for phone calls, but there's no such mention on the Petron Bass Buds. But people on the receiving end told me that the microphone quality on the Redmi 2C was slightly better than the Petron. So here's a demo of the microphone quality, and you can judge that for yourself.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joboy Techie, and this is the microphone quality of the Petron Bass Buds while making a phone call. Now I'm using this in an outdoor situation where there's not a lot of traffic, and my voice is quite audible, although I have not kept any high expectations from these buds, but still it does a decent job. And when it comes to environmental noise cancellation, there's no mention about that in the description, but I don't think so it eliminates a lot of environmental noise. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joboy Techie, and this is the microphone quality of the Redmi Earbuds 2C. Now on the box they have mentioned environmental noise cancellation, and it does do a slightly better job than the Petron Bass Buds. And the person on the receiving end has told me that the microphone quality is slightly better on the Redmi 2C than the Petron Bass Buds. It does not capture a lot of environmental sound, but I cannot keep any higher expectations as these are priced under 1000 rupees.
Now let me talk about the latency. If you watched my review of the Redmi Earbuds 2C, I clearly mentioned there that these buds are not suitable for gaming, as I was facing extreme lag issue. And the same goes for the Petron Bass Buds. I in fact don't recommend budget earbuds for gaming. but I tried to compare the audio delay while watching a movie. I paired both of them with my smartphone at the same time, and I noticed that there was a slight delay on the Petron base buds. Although you won't notice that in normal situations, but yeah, if that matters to you, then you can take that into consideration. So when it comes to the battery life on the Petron base buds, you get around 20 hours along with the charging case in total, and 6 hours on each bud. Whereas on the Redmi Earbuds 2C, you get 12 hours in total and around 4 hours on each bud. But to be very honest, you won't feel the pinch of it if you don't use them extensively. In my case, the battery life was just appropriate as I used them only when I was traveling. Both come with micro USB charging, and it takes about 1.5 hours of charging time on both of these. On the case of the Redmi 2C, you get only a single LED indication, but on the Petron you get 4 LEDs to indicate the battery life, where each LED means 25% battery. And this, according to me, is a great feature on a budget earbud like these. So my final verdict is that both of these buds do a fairly decent job taking into consideration the price point. But I think the Petron base buds here gets the upper hand only because of that 20-hour battery life, a little better sound quality, and the price point. And also I forgot to mention that these are more than a year old. Normally these are priced at 1099 rupees, but during any sale you could get these for as low as 899 Indian rupees. So my overall rating for the Petron base buds would be 4 out of 5. Guys, if you like this video or if you found it informative, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates about my new videos. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then, see you next time.